In this video, we show how to replace the memory in a PowerEdge 6715. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove a DIMM, pull out on the latches and then lift the DIMM out. To install a DIMM, align it with the socket and then press down until the latches click into place. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6715, visit dell.com/support.